OneDoc AI is a dream come true for marketers who need lead magnets and killer sales material, coaches and consultants crafting proposals or presentations that shine, content creators racing against the clock to produce top-notch resources, agencies juggling multiple clients like a circus performer, entrepreneurs who want to get things done fast without hiring a design army. The biggest perk? Time savings. What usually takes days can be wrapped up in mere minutes. Plus, it's all about simplicity. Everything you need is in one place, making your life a hell of a lot easier. Let's break down the pros. Lightning-fast content creation. No design skills? No problem. Professional-looking output that'll make you look like a genius. An all-in-one workflow that's a breeze to navigate. Perfect for both newbies and seasoned pros. But hold your horses. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Advanced features might require some upgrades. The best results still need a sprinkle of your own editing magic. It's not here to replace creativity. It's here to enhance it like a turbocharger for your ideas. In a nutshell, OneDoc AI is a solid gem of a platform for anyone who craves speed, structure, and professional results without the headache. It's not about kicking humans to the curb. It's about smoothing out the bumps in the content creation process. If you're regularly cranking out documents, presentations, or lead magnets, this tool is a game changer you won't want to miss. Front end, $37. OTO 1, Unlimited, $97. OTO 2, Advanced and Premium, $67 or $47 in some launch promotions. OTO 3, DFY, Done for You, $97. OTO 4, White Label, $297. Full Bundle, all OTOs $297, discounted bundles. When you buy through my link, you'll get my free bonus valued at $747. This is not a PDF or PLR. It's a 4-hour step-by-step video course that shows you how to build up to $10,000 per month online using free traffic. To receive the bonus, simply take a screenshot of your purchase and DM it to me on Instagram. I'll send you the bonus immediately after verification.